Good morning, listeners. This is Ray Carpio back again with another Power of Positivity number 8. Today's Monday, fresh start to the week. It's time to get those gears going and that blood pumping. Start on those projects, goals, workout routines, head strong and on the right track. Alright, let's get to the quote of the day. So this one is really simple and it struck me. Okay, so it says, turn your TV time into fortune. So I got this quote from Jim Rohn. Great motivational speaker. I recommend listening to him every morning. And this quote it makes so much sense because most of the population sit around watching TV for hours and hours and they don't even realize it. That even includes YouTube. And yes, unfortunately, I'm a victim of watching YouTube as well. However, if you're on YouTube watching valuable content that actually leave a positive impact on your life, and it'll motivate you to take action, then personally, I don't think it's that bad. But you gotta take action. Anyways, the time you spent watching TV, days in and days out, you're missing out on a lot of money. Now think about it. Those hours spent could be used to help you make a fortune. So every time you sit on a couch watching TV, just know you're losing about $40,000 a year. Well, there you guys have it. For all the listeners out there, I just want to say I love you. You're awesome. Go make somebody smile, compliment someone, and go after your dreams. Make sure to add me on Facebook. All of my social media accounts are on my profile. This is Ray signing out. Peace.